This is going to be an unboxing and a review of this 4K dash camera here. So the main features it has on the side here are Wi-Fi, 4K, WDR. I'm not sure what that is. I guess this is location and stuff like that. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into the unboxing of this dash cam. So taking out the styrofoam here, the first thing I see is the dash cam itself. And first impressions of it, this thing is very, very small. There's a touchscreen on the back with the cover on it, but most dash cams are a lot bigger than this and they kind of get in the way of the windshield. That's why I picked this one. But having this small one doesn't really get in the way, and you can probably even hide it behind your rear view mirror on the windshield. Setting that aside, let's go ahead and get into the rest of the box here. So this one right here, this is the GPS cord. It plugs into the camera, so it kind of like tracks your location and stuff like that. For the power cord right here, it's a cigarette port, and then this side plugs into the camera on the top or the bottom or whatever this is right there. Then this is the suction mount for the windshield, and this part just kind of goes on the camera, and this part is just a normal suction cup that goes on your windshield. And this looks like a charger for it, a little extended one there. And then at the very bottom, this is the user's manual on how to set it up properly and how to get the most out of it. And then this piece right here, this little orange thing, I love when products come with these things. It's basically to help you hide the wires, so you can kind of like dig into like the side of your headboard to kind of pull it out a little and tuck the wires in, so the wires aren't just like hanging out in front of you. It makes it look a lot more factory, and this piece is very, very helpful to have. So yeah, let's go ahead and get into the setup and the review of this footage here. So installing the suction cup is very, very easy. All you need to kind of do is just put it on right there. And then to mount this thing on the windshield, you're going to want to put the suction cup on and take this plastic piece out. And I'm going to go ahead and put it on the middle of the windshield here so you guys can see it. But this thing is definitely small enough to hide behind your mirror, so you don't have to see it at all, which is pretty nice. But I'm going to go ahead and put it here so you guys can see everything. So once you have it ready to go, you can go ahead and switch it to the, you can turn this thing right here. You can switch it to the unlock function. And you just want to go ahead and press it on the windshield like so, and turn that thing until it's locked, and just like that, it is completely on there and ready to go. And I already have this cord set up here. It's running to my cigarette lighter right here, so you can just go ahead and plug this cord in on the top right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. So once you have it set up and plugged in, I'm going to go ahead and give it power to my car here. I'm going to go ahead and press the power button on the, oh, it's actually going to come on its own here. I'm going to focus the camera on it. But yeah, so you can see here it automatically starts recording. This is a 4K video camera, so it's shooting very, very high definition. You can angle it very, very easily. And I'm going to go ahead and put some footage on the screen of it in action. This is also going to be an audio test of this dash cam here. I have the windows down. I'm not going very fast, so there's not going to be a ton of road noise. But yeah, you guys can decide and see how the audio is.